Welcome to Easy Learning zed-Mathematics. The future is bright. Before us, we have a question which is 3x squared minus 14x plus 8. Before we go into the details of today's video, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified immediately when I post a new video. The question is asking us to find the value of x in the expression 3x squared minus 14x plus 8 is greater than 0. To find the value of x, we will follow these steps. First step, we convert the inequation to a quadratic equation, which will be 3x squared minus 14x plus 8 equals 0. Now we should understand that 3x squared is a, minus 14x is b, 8 is c. With that out of the way, let's now identify coefficients. The coefficient of x squared is 3. The coefficient of x is negative 14. The constant term is 8. These coefficients are the ones that we will use in the quadratic equation formula. So now, let's look at the formula of the quadratic equation, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, let's replace the letters a, b, c in the equation. So we say x is equal to negative, where there is b, we put negative 14, hence, open brackets negative 14, close brackets, plus or minus square root, again, where there is b, we put negative 14, therefore, we open brackets negative 14, close brackets, minus 4. Where there is a, we put positive 3, and where there is c, we put positive 8, over 2. And where there is a, we put 3, hence, open brackets, 3, close brackets. Now let's do the actual calculations. First, we say negative times negative 14 will give us positive 14. We write the square root sign, then we square negative 14 to get 196. Next, we multiply 4 by 3 by 8 to get 96. Over 2 times 3, which gives us 6. Thereafter, we write x is equal to positive 14 plus or minus square root sign, then we subtract 96 from 196 to get 100 over 6. Next, we write x is equal to positive 14 plus or minus. Now let's find the square root of 100, which is 10. Hence, the square root of 100 is 10 over 6. Now, here we can say 14 plus 10 over 6, or 14 minus 10 over 6. Now let's focus on 14 plus 10 over 6. So we write x is equal to 14 plus 10, which will give us 24 over 6. X is equal to 24 divided by 6, which will give us 4. Now, let's focus on 14 minus 10 over 6. So we write x is equal to 14 minus 10, which will give us 4 over 6. Next, we say x is equal to, what number can go into 4 and 6 without leaving a remainder? The number is 2. Therefore, we are going to divide 4 and 6 by 2. Hence, 4 divided by 2 will give us 2, and 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Therefore, x is equal to 4, or 2 over 3. And that's how we solve this quadratic step by step. Remember, mathematics is not just about answers, it's about the process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Learning zed-Mathematics. Keep practicing because the future is bright when you learn with